Today we're at the Agio Lux Lifestyle Weekend, Luxury Lifestyle. I don't know what to call it honestly, but very cool luxury event here at Geo World Garden. As a sequel to the fashion award that I got a few weeks ago, that some of you may be familiar with. Today, last night, the first day of this event, I walked a ramp wearing the same white T-shirt, black pants, and Birkenstocks. I want to see how far I can go with my white T-shirt, black pants, and Birkenstocks. That being said, this is like a fashion vibes event, so we're gonna walk around, find some people with cool outfits, and have them break it down for us.
These things. I have no idea what brand.
You have no idea what you're wearing?
No, I actually don't.
Adarsh is wearing a black shirt, black pants, and Nike shoes.
Yeah, I can talk about my shoes. They're brown in color and they're high tops.
Mid tops.
Mid tops. So what? I'm wearing these checkered white and orange socks. I don't know who they're by.
Fashion icon.
I like it.
Is it DJ Grey Box or just Grey Box?
The grey box.
The Grey Box.
Yeah.
That's cool. What does that mean?
Whatever at this point. Yeah.
You have a sick outfit on, dude. Can you break it down for us?
It's just
Start with the hat.
start with the hat. It's like a vintage Von Dutch thingy.
Yeah.
And this is just fucking unique look.
Nice.
Mickey Mouse collab.
That's good.
And some pants I picked up somewhere. And these ACGs. Yeah. That's what's up.
ACG Nikes. It's
Yeah.
super dope, dude.
Thank you,
And
man.
then the stash is, I think,
Stash,
integral
you
part
can't
of the
buy
fit.
that, you know? You have to fucking grow
Earn it. You have to earn it.
You have to earn
It's
it.
earned
yeah,
it.
Yeah, yeah.
I love it, dude.
Yash Pradhan.
Yash. It's a cool name.
Thank you.
What are you wearing, dude? I love your outfit. Break it down for us.
Break it down. I'll start with the shoes. I think these are Ari Foams. Socks. I think these are designed by me. Pants. I think Zara. Jacket custom designed by me.
Six.
This by a friend.
What is your brand called?
I just go by.
You just design clothes for yourself?
No, I mean I'm a visual artist.
Nice.
I don't design clothes. I do a lot of like installation, murals and things. This is something I'm just doing it for myself,
Sick.
so I can wear.
Where can we find you?
Just Yash Pradhan everywhere.
What is your watch?
Oh, this is Casio, Stephanie.
Beautiful.
Thank you.
I love the outfit. It's so cool.
Thank
The
you.
colors are amazing. What are you wearing today? Tell us about your outfit.
Honestly, I decided to extend.
Nimbu.
No. Don't you think Grinch sounds better?
Grinch. Yeah,
It's
Grinch.
neon green.
Yeah, it's like the Kobe shoes.
Yeah.
You should get those.
Although my personality
You
is
should get her
not
the.
like that,
you should
but
get her the Kobe's.
we should.
There's
Let's
you seen
go.
them?
No, I've
Kobe
not.
fives?
Let's.
There's,
Run
they
to
look
the
like your
store.
outfit, but tell me about the fit. You got a very nice Bottega bag.
Yeah, I know it all
What are
matches.
your earrings?
There's Simpson jewelry, which is also showcasing here. Then this is Dave, which is also showcasing
wow.
here. So I'm
Really
supporting all my
embodying the
friends
event.
today.
You got
Louis
supporting
Vuittons.
nice upcoming designers, young upcoming artists.
This is also now going on.
Okay, what is your name?
My name is Raj Mandra.
I love your outfit, dude. It's so cool. So what are you wearing?
So I'm wearing this board shirt from Control Plus P. Like,
Gold plus P.
Yeah, that's the name of the brand.
Nice.
And along with that, I'm wearing my reverse mochas.
Very cool. And you got some jewelry.
I also have some accessories on and like bracelet, rings, and also my signature glasses.
Very cool, man. I love the fit. Thank you. Very nice shoes.
Oh, okay.
But your shoes are not visible. I'm saying get rid of the pants.
Nah. So I'm wearing this. I don't know exactly. I bought it from a thrift shop in London.
Okay.
All those thrifts in Soho.
Okay.
You have all those
Yeah,
vintage
yeah.
things. So
Yeah.
I bought that from there. I don't know how much it's worth though.
Yeah.
These are human pants.
Fantastic. Superhuman.
Yeah,
This is the Superhuman collection.
Exactly.
This is Superhuman
Shout
collection.
out to Pranav for sending
Shout
them
out
over.
to Pranav
I think they were the
Kirti.
first batch that came out.
Fantastic.
And you had to send them in really early.
Yeah.
Express courier only. And then these are my beaters. Always.
Gorgeous. Defenders.
Defenders.
Beautiful,
Stomp some
beautiful
balls.
shoes.
Yeah.
From the off-duty episode we did. We remember? What about
Yeah.
the jewelry, man? Integral part of all of our outfits.
Okay, this is All Saints.
All Saints. All right.
This is Grey Frog, London. Again, Grey Frog, London. Grey Frog. All of them have Grey Frog. Fun fact.
You raided that store, huh?
Nah, I mean, all my idols go there to shop. Like starting from James Hetfield to Motorhead, all the metal rock people, Johnny Depp also. They buy their stuff from there.
I see it.
Yeah.
I see it. Very cool. Nice to see you. Having a good time?
Yep.
Outfit for us. What are you wearing today?
I'm wearing
You are wearing blue-orange shirt,
Yeah.
Rare Rabbit t-shirt. What is your watch?
No, this is a Casio watch.
Very nice Casio watch. Some Zara jeans.
Yeah. Not Zara jeans, it's the Levi's jeans.
Levi's jeans. I like it. I like it. Tasteful man. And he's got some very nice dark Onyx Easy 350s.
You knew everything.
Shout out Main Street Marketplace.
So what's the total? What is the total?
What is the outfit is worth roughly 48 grand.
48 grand, 4,800.
48,000. So the shoes are 35. These will be 540. This will be about 6. This will be 2.
So it's 2. This is what, 6?
Must be. Or this is more.
I think you're close.
I'm close. 48, 50k roughly, yeah.
You're saying total is 48.50.
Yeah. Plus the watch.
So you're doing
Watch
this with,
separate.
everybody.
Not everybody. People with nice outfits. So just, you should feel privileged. And we chose shoes meaning your outfit was nice. Meaning since the time we met till now, you've become more fashionable.
Me, right?
You have. Good.
I know. Thank you, bro. Thank you. I have people like you guiding me.
How are you doing? What's happening? Break down your outfit for us.
Breakdown outfit? Okay. Sunglasses are vintage Dior from Paris. Purse is Chanel. This is from the brand Praying from the US. It says father figure because I'm your daddy. This is a Caperni skirt. And the shoes are, I think, from Mango, but I don't believe in buying expensive shoes because they go on the floor. So the shoes are cheap.
You are invalidating like my life's purpose.
Wait, I forgot!
I have built a career on literally the opposite, convincing people to spend a lot of money on shoes.
Spend all your money on shoes.
Thank you. That's more
Period.
like- Good, good. Your names?
My name is Sanskar.
Wow. So stop for a second. Let me just digest that. Is your name close to as cool as Sanskar?
See, you guess it.
Dhruv,
No, it's not like that.
Raj,
Nice try.
Rahul.
No, mine. Prateek.
Oh shit! I would have gotten there. You give me 3 minutes, I would have reached Prateek. It's not bad. It's cool.
That's cool, eh?
Okay, wait. Let's go, Sanskar. What are you wearing?
I'm wearing a Zara jacket, a Louis Vuitton scarf, and a thrifted pant.
What pant?
Thrifted pant. I thrifted it from
Nice.
band or somewhere. Yeah.
Nice. Your hat is
Amiri, yeah.
Amiri, and your backpack is
Dior.
oof. Man's is dripping. Dripping. Expensive as outfit. What about you, Prateek?
So yeah, the jacket is from Dior and these are from Freakins.
Freakins?
Yeah.
Nice.
And
shoes?
these are the Nike Blazers, yeah. It's best time, yeah.
I love the fits, dude. Very nicely put together. Welcome to the space. Vaishnavi, what are you wearing?
I'm wearing Balav.
What is Balav?
Balav's Vaishnavi Bala.
Is that your last name?
Yeah, my name
Bala
last
V.
name Bala.
And your first name is Vaishnavi V. Bala V.
Yes, Balav.
It's pronounced Balav.
Balav.
Not
yeah,
Balavi.
Yeah, Balavi sounds like Dharavi.
Your
bro.
So you're wearing a Balav top, jacket, everything.
Yeah.
And your shoes is
My shoes are tracks Balenciaga, but they're really dirty.
Balenciaga track trainer. Some of the nicest Balenciaga shoes there are.
Thank you.
I like them.
Yeah, no?
It's cool outfit.
And they don't have leather, so that's
Leather. Beautiful. Amazing. Here with the one and only Mr. Apar Shakti Khurana, who's going to run us through his incredible outfit. Please tell me about this jacket first. It's beautiful.
So yeah, this is an Australian designer called Blair Archibald. I was in Australia 6 months back, going again next week for Australian Open. I love Melbourne. So this guy has done a really,
see it, man. It's very
cool
cool.
way of bringing back gilets, and I think they're very comfortable. They make you look very, different from what other people
And
are
you can
wearing.
wear them in Bombay.
Absolutely, it's very weather friendly.
Yeah.
And like you can wear them with a cardigan if you're not in Bombay, if you're outside somewhere. You can wear them with a t-shirt like I'm wearing it. So I really love it.
Let's see the rest of it. You have some cool shoes on. What are they? Ambushes? You got the ambush hands. You got a dope watch. What is the watch?
Yeah. Oh God.
It's a very nice rollie.
I should not be talking
Should
about
not be
it.
talking about Pepsi. Very nice.
No, I'm not. I'm not a watch collector at all.
Okay. But-
Only 3-4 pieces old.
Nice.
And
This
yeah.
is Pepsi, no?
This is not Pepsi. This is Batman.
Batman. Beautiful. I am also clearly not a watch collector. And you got some very cool Chanel earrings. I see
So I
that.
haven't got my ears pierced.
Oh,
it's a clip-on.
the clip-on.
It's
Nice.
the clip-on.
Very
So
cool.
I think when you're an actor, it becomes difficult to get your, piercings and tattoos in place because more often than
permanent
not,
changes,
they're
yeah.
not a part of of your characters.
Yeah.
So I'm not a big fan of tattoos or
Nice.
piercing.
And
I try to
you've
pick
got
up.
the Tom Ford glasses,
yes.
Moschino cap, and a very cool Loewe bag.
Hey, how's it going?
The whole outfit, top to bottom, is dripping.
Yes,
I love it.
Honestly, if I tell you, I would not call myself a sneakerhead or someone into watches or something. But I try to be in sync with what's happening in today's day and age in terms of fashion.
Your bracelet is also Chanel, and your and your ring is Louis V.
Yeah, it is. It is. So I think the way LV does their accessories, they're so comfortable
And
they're
nuanced.
so yes, absolutely, man. I've tried most of the rings. The way LV kind of they just fit you. They just fit you. It looks like they were made for you.
A very clear embodiment of the culture that we stand for. It's beautiful. Fashion
Thank you.
enthusiast.
One thing I want to mention, out of all the cool things, I love this the most. They're the most comfortable denims, and they are from the girls section.
I love that. Fashion forward. And how?
They're not
Very
from
cool.
the men's section.
Thanks, man. Thank you for coming.
I think it's really important
Awesome.
to be
Yeah.
comfortable.
If you like something, let me know. Happy to help you.
100%. Thank you so much.
Yeah,
Cheers,
nice
man.
to see you.
Thank you. Thank you. Good.
Upper is also here browsing our latest collection of all the gear.
Yeah, you know what? I think I was just talking about gear to somebody. The kind of sleeves they've done, it's absolutely cool. You sometimes feel very stuck up in a hoodie because the amount of gripping it gives you to the arm, it's not comfortable at all. This is one of the most comfortable, I think, gripping you'll ever see. And also, the kind of baggy sleeves you want, this is an apt fit. So, buddy,
Man, I appreciate it.
thank you so much for doing
Have a
this
good
for us.
time, man. Thank
Cheers,
you.
man.
Thank you.
Thank you.
With that being said, we come to the end. That being said, we come to the end of another exciting What's Your Outfit Worth episode. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did and you're still here, comment down below how excited you are for ISC, which has tickets live now on the Zomato app in the live section. Go get them quick before the early bird passes sell out. I'll see you in the next one.